What happens to your body when you consume raw aloe vera juice? When it comes taking care of your skin using organic and natural products, there is nothing better than aloe vera juice. The juice doesn't just contain skin-enhancing properties, but it also several healing components that can do wonders for your overall health if consumed in moderation. Whether you are suffering from heartburn or a weak immune system, consuming aloe vera juice as little as 2-4 ounces will help treat your condition effectively. What is aloe vera juice? The juice is obtained from aloe vera plant. This short-stemmed plant has several names such as true aloe, A. barbadensis mill, or Aloe indica royal. Its thick and pointed, fleshy leaves contain aloe vera gel, which is used to prepare the juice. Moreover, you can apply the gel directly on wounds, insect bites, or a rash for immediate soothing effects. 1. It is antibacterial. Aloe vera juice is a storehouse of antibacterial properties, which is why it is widely popular to treat open wounds. Applying the fresh juice on the affected area forms a protective layer around it that impedes bacterial growth. Bacteria lead to various infections if the wound is left untreated. Plus, the antibacterial factor of the juice does not only inhibit external infections, but it fights infectious bacteria inside your body as well. 2. Fights oral problems. You should incorporate the aloe vera juice into your regimen to ward off major or minor oral issues. Its juice is potent enough to kill bacteria found in a plague that contribute to gum diseases due to antimicrobial effects. Aloe vera is popular for its soothing properties as well, and is known to heal mouth ulcers and bleeding gums in a short time span. 3. Control sugar levels. Diabetic patients can opt for aloe vera juice without giving it a second thought. It reduces triglycerides, which benefit people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Consuming freshly prepared juice on a daily basis for 4-6 months drops high sugar levels effectively. 4. Strengthens your immune system. Aloe vera juice can become a primary supplier of antioxidants to your immune system. Not to mention, antioxidants boost immunity and fight dismantling factors like oxidative stress and free radicals. It is worth noting that free radicals contribute to chronic diseases like cancer. So, consume a glass of juice regularly and prevent your body from debilitating health conditions. 5. Controls body weight. Obese individuals can facilitate their weight loss journey via incorporating aloe vera juice into the diet. It does not contain calories and fats. Plus, it may become a source to get plenty of nutrients. In most cases, vitamin and mineral deficiency contribute to various health issues including weight gain. A glass of aloe vera juice can help replace those lost nutrients. 6. Promotes digestion. Indigestion is a common problem that affects both children and adults alike. Do you know that if the problem goes unnoticed, indigestion will lead to stomach ulcers? You would not want to be susceptible to debilitating issues like these. Consuming aloe vera juice treats indigestion in just a few hours. Plus, it seems like an excellent remedy to treat constipation. The laxative and minerals found in it function well to keep your bowel movements on track, which eventually promotes easy and comfortable digestion. Drink a glass of fresh juice on an empty stomach and see jaw-dropping results. 7. Controls high cholesterol levels. High LDL levels are a leading cause of cardiovascular problems like hypertension. No question, inappropriate dietary choices increase cholesterol production in your body. This buildup of cholesterol in your arteries hinders proper blood flow, putting a lot of pressure on your heart. Aloe vera juice can control an excess production of cholesterol. Cardiologists suggest regular consumption of the juice as it helps remove all plaque, widening constricted arteries without hurting your health. However, we suggest discussing your condition with a health expert before opting for aloe vera juice to treat high cholesterol. 8. For long and shiny hair. Maintaining the pH level of your hair has now become possible with aloe vera. Its juice can treat hair complications like breakage and dandruff alike. You can boost hair growth via incorporating its juice into your hair care routine. All you need is to mix equal portions of lemon juice and aloe vera juice depending on the thickness of your hair. Apply the concoction on each strand and leave it for at least 30 minutes. Rinse it off as you usually would and witness the astonishing results. 9. Increases energy levels. A busy lifestyle, a chaotic schedule, and working overtime do not allow you to focus on the diet you consume. Take note that indigent dietary choices will quickly drop your energy levels. That is why you need an energetic and lasting pick-me-up drink, which is aloe vera juice. 10. For healthy environment. You need a germ and bacteria-free home and environment to ensure a healthy living. Unhygienic practices contribute to bacterial growth in your house that you can combat by just drinking some aloe vera juice. Mix a scoop or 2 of aloe vera gel with water. Put this concoction into a spray bottle. Be sure to spray this juice in each part of your house to kill bacteria, and breathe in a safe environment. 11. For flawless skin. Aloe vera juice can become a source to obtain vitamin C and E to nurture your skin. This is why beauty brands incorporate aloe vera into various products. You should also opt for it to prepare face packs for glowing skin. Also, the antioxidants found in it function to rejuvenate damaged skin cells, delaying premature aging. How to prepare aloe vera juice. Ingredients: aloe vera leaf, filtered water 3 cup, lime juice, ginger for flavor, honey, optional. Procedure: remove the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf, then cut the latex of the leaf, which is the second layer. The second layer contains the soft, gooey gel. Scoop all the gel and put it in a blender. Add 3 cups of filtered water and blend. Lastly, add lime juice and ginger as per your choice and blend once again. Your nutritious aloe vera juice is ready. It is safe to state that aloe vera juice is a necessity for every household due to the benefits it offers. So, prepare some fresh juice and make the most of it. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.